Assalamu alaikum my lovely students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good. This is your teacher Mr. Mesa, and today's video is going to be very interesting because today we are going to learn about birds. Let me first tell you some characteristics of birds. All birds have two legs. They have wings and feathers. They have a beak and they lay eggs. Birds eat many different types of food. Some eat insects, some eat fish, some eat meat, and some eat seeds, fruit, or nectar. Birds are some of the most colorful animals on the planet. So let's come. Now I will give you description about some birds. Okay, hummingbird. Let's talk about it. Hummingbirds are one of the smallest bird in the world. It can fly forward, backward, and even upside down. Wow! Okay, next, crow. Crows have black feathers. We mostly find them at the top of the tree. They lay about 4 to 7 eggs at a time. Next is peacock. Peacock is the most beautiful bird in the world. Oh wow! Peacock is a very attractive bird because of its beautiful, bright and colored feathers. And peacock dances in the rain. Next is pigeon. Pigeon is a pet bird. It eats seeds, fruits, green leaves, and insects also. Okay, next one is toucan. As you can see, it is a very colorful bird and they sleep on their beak. Isn't it amazing that they sleep on their beak? Next is sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird and baby sparrow eats worms. Next is swan. Swan is a very beautiful bird and they have white feathers. Next is owl. They are called night birds because they stay awake at night. They have night vision. Also, they can fly. Then next is swallow. They are small birds and they have small and weak feet. Next is robin. Do you know that? Robin lays light blue eggs and they like to eat worms and caterpillar. Next come the eagle. Eagle is one of the strongest birds in the world. It is able to carry heaviest loads and they have excellent eyesight. Ostrich. Ostrich are the biggest bird in the world and they have very powerful legs. They can run very fast. And because it is the largest bird in the world, it also lays a very big egg. Then dove. Dove are the small birds and they are called the symbol of peace. And last but not the least, parrot. is a pet bird. It likes to eat chili. It lives in a cage and it is a talking bird. So this was the description of all these birds. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.